Some people them full of bad mind, head thick with it like soup. You can't smell it. Worst part, them vex over things where them never help bill. Them kind of people, they peep to keyhole for watch your life. Grudge pack up them pantry and bad mind drop on them heavy like wet clothes in a rain. They only clap when you drop. Them loves the problem, hates the progress, and the bad mind glue them to your business like label upon rum bottle. Bad mind crack joke sweet like sugar cane, but underneath it bitter like Cersei tea we soak overnight. Them pick apart me things like his mango, but when them bite into them own, pure worm crawl out. Even some family who bad mind will pray for your success, but only if it's smaller than them own. Stay blessed, my people. Yo, my people, this is Maximus, the raft captain here. My raft never tremble yet till she pull up. And to make it rascal worse, tourist girl bring all of she things. She think this a bumbo clock cruise ship. Ratted, me have to go save her to rascal. Cause me not even get pay. Me nah get pay enough for that. Girl them sink lower than the Titanic.